what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Redmi Turbo 3. Sorry that this video is a bit late because I have been feeling quite sick in recent days. So yeah, but in this video I will just cover as much as possible. As the name suggests, the Turbo is more for hardware performance for those hardcore gamers. For subscribers like you. Please subscribe if you haven't, and please turn on that notification bell. This Redmi Turbo 3 should be renamed to Poco F6 for the global market. So should you get it? Just watch my whole video and you'll get pretty much every detail about it. Now without further ado, let's get started. Start with unboxing. This is the first time Redmi adopts this kind of a carbon fiber finish, right? After all, this finish gives you the feeling of high speed, great performance. Good choice. Redmi Turbo 3, powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. Some information down there. What we got is this black one. Okay, just as usual stuff, a pen, a case, a manual. Let's check out the case. Better than the transparent one, but I prefer use the phone without the case. Because just check this out. Check out. Okay, basically zero fingerprints or smudges on it. Just feels so smooth. Okay, looks premium, and we're talking about the phone a little bit later. So for the rest, we have, let's take a look. We have the 19 watts fast charger and also a Type-C to Type-A cable, and that's basically what's all in the box. Not just move to the phone. So on top we have the speaker, infrared blaster, the noise mic, left side nothing. Bottom Type-C speaker, and also the SIM card tray, SIM card 1, SIM card 2. To be honest, don't even need to open it. I know it's dual card, dual standby. Okay, because nowadays this is all for Redmi phones, Xiaomi phones. Moving on, we have the volume rocker and the power key. Now onto the back, we have this camera module design, dual cameras with a giant flash. So this reminds me some robots, right? But okay, just dual camera module. For this series, this Turbo series is mainly for the hardware performance. All right, so we are mainly focused on the hardware performance. Just let's check out its specs first. So my device, Snapdragon 8X Gen 3 mobile platform, and its RAM is expandable. 5,000 milliamp battery, 5,000, 6.67 inch screen size. Okay, camera specs, rear 50 plus 8, 50 plus 8 megapixels. 50 plus 8, all right. And front is 20 megapixel, and detailed information and specs. Okay, you can see more here. That's basically the key information. Why not just give it Antutu benchmark test, right? 34%. Okay, just check out the stunning view of the Redmi Turbo 3. Okay. All right, finally, the Antutu score out. It's nearly 1.5 million, and that's what I expected, because for the Xiaomi CV4 Pro, it has almost the same score, right? Okay, and if you check out the temperature, that's all the scores for other items. Okay, that's it. Beyond the Antutu benchmark test, my friend even also tested the gaming with that Fury Engine 3.0 and AI. From less demanding games like King of Glory to heavy hitters like Genshin Impact and Story Corridor Railway, it shows exceptional performance. The frame rates stay consistent. Just check out that line. It's almost flat with minimal fluctuation. And the temperature control is good too. It seems pretty impressive. Of course, I'm not much of a gamer myself and I'm more interested in making videos for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe. Now to the part that you guys like most, the sound test. Our photo supports ultra wide 2x10 times. Video, so the rear camera supports 4K 60 up to 4K 60. Okay, that little girl. It's cute. She's cute, right? Okay. 4K 60 FPS. 6 times zoom. Alright, and this is the main. Stabilization is not bad. It's not bad. And the front, only 1080. Okay, 1080 60. Okay, the front camera supports 1080p 60 fps. As I said before, this phone is focused on the hardware performance, which is great for gaming, for for hardcore gamers. Alright, so they put less effort on this camera performance or other things. So yeah.